Despite The Flash being on a hiatus with no new episodes to entertain us until 2021, there is still news coming out as productions are slowly looming as things start to reopen. One piece of news comes out as a huge shock for the show, but actor Hartley Sawyer, who plays the elongated man Ralph Dibny, has been fired from the show ahead of the 7th season. After coming on in the 4th season, he has been a main character in the past 2 seasons, both of which featured a long-running storyline for his mystery of Sue Dibny and his relationship with her. While the end of season 6 had implied a team-up for the two going forward, particularly with Sue's character being framed for murder, now that has been cut short due to the actor and his previous behavior. Much like the James Gunn situation, previous tweets going back to 2012 and 14 have been brought back up on Twitter, which features the actor making misogynistic, racist, and homophobic tweets. Showrunner of The Flash, Eric Wallace, announced that not only was he fired, but that in an attempt to rectify this, that the show will continue to hire diverse writers and actors for the show, which also included the announcement of a few months ago that actor Brandon McKnight had been promoted to a series regular for the 7th season after sporadic appearances in season 6. Despite the real-world implications of the past coming back to haunt the actor, the story of The Flash will definitely change as Ralph has taken on several storylines which featured him in leading episodes. But what do you think of the news, and how do you think the show will write him out? Let me know down below.